Hi, how are you?
Hey guys, you want to learn how to make cartoon characters like this, like Santa Claus, using mobile phone, using your Android mobile phone? Then you are at the right place. You are watching the right video and you have to watch it till the end. And I will tell you how to make this kind of characters using mobile phone without any coding knowledge and without any animation knowledge. But before that, I will request you to please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you will get my all the latest videos in your inbox without delay. And if you like this video, please like it immediately and share with your friends so that they will also learn the animation if they are interested. And friends, please comment whatever you want to know and I will answer it. So let's start begin. So for this I am using a app. The application name is Plotagon. It is widely available in Play Store. You go to the Play Store and search Plotagon Education or Plotagon Story. All are same. So I installed both Plotagon Education and Plotagon Story. Plotagon Education require the account, but Plotagon normal story don't require any account. So I just open Plotagon Story and the icon with the camcorder, I am opening it. Okay, so just open it. It will take a few seconds and to load, and then it open the storyboard. So here it is. Here the interface you will see like this. Here tips and tutorials are there. FAQ, you have to, if you want to invite the friend and anything like you can share it on the social medias. So just go to the Plotagon Studio tab, or in the below where you see a camcorder kind of icon, click over there. Okay, I clicked it here, and there are two things. On the top you can see one is plots and another is characters. So what is the meaning of plots and characters? Plots is nothing but the scene. You are going to make some scene, you are going to create the scene, and character, the character who will play the role in those scenes. So before creating the plots you have to create the character. So let's click on character. Here I made some characters. I already made some characters like Sidhu and Mahatma Gandhi, Amitabh Bachchan. So today I'm going to teach you how to make Santa Claus. Okay, so for that, create new character. You have to click over there. I clicked on create new character. Wait for the load. Initially you will get a random female version or male version character. This is randomly selected by Plotagon. So according to your choice you have to make it. So like Santa Claus is a male, so I am clicking male. Then male is clicked. Then we select the gender. Now we have to change its face and body colors and clothes and all that. So tap on the second tab, and here you will see the faces. So multiple face you can see, and whichever is required according to your need you can put it. So I know Santa Claus is old man, so I will go and select the old version of Santa, old man. Okay, I will select. So here are few old people. So I think this is good. And now time to color it up. So below you can choose the color. So we choose the face. Now we have to choose the hairstyle and all that. So click on this hair button, and you can see so many hairstyles are there. According to your need you can choose it, but I know there's a cap on the head of Santa Claus, so I think whatever you choose, there is no need of any hair. So leave it and go to another tab. So select any beard, any kind of beard, and color it. So as he is an old man with lots of beard on his hair, face, so I think this beard is good, and you can select it and etc. Go to next tab. Next tab we can see glasses, hat, and jewelries, etc. So here I am going to select the hat. The hat of the Santa Claus is red color. So find out the hat. Let's find it out. You will get some. Here it is. Here is Santa Claus hat, but the color is pink, so I have to change it to red. So here below you can change the color. So here now you can see, you will be able to see the color of hat. So first part is done. Now time to change the clothes of Santa Claus. So go and find out the clothes like Santa Claus wear, and I guess this is the cloth which perfectly suits on Santa Claus body, but it must be in red color. So now I just change the color of the cloth of Santa Claus. Now need to change the pant, and again search the pant. Here is the pant of Santa Claus, and here is the color of the pant. Now time to change the shoes. So find out the shoes and just check which is matching, and I guess this shoes is perfect for him. So you can see we just created a man called Santa Claus, and next you can if you want you can add the voice or leave it for the future use, and now change the name and it is Santa. I just put the name as Santa and done. So you finally created Santa Claus. You finally created Santa Claus. So character is created. Now you have to create the plots, means the story. Okay, so for this go to plot, and in the plot find out either find out the already created plot or just create a new plot. So I go over there, and there you can see that it is saying use the clapper icon in the toolbar to add a new scene. So to make the scene on the top, I just added a scene, and I have to find out the scene. So you know, here it is written like scene, character is somewhere, so I have to choose the scene first. So click on the scene, and you can see lots of scenes are installed here in this Plotagon, but few are free, few are a paid version. So I'm just searching for free version, and I'm just trying to search the Christmas like Christmas kind of scene. So let's search it out, and I know where it is. You can see here Christmas chair, you can see, and Christmas tree, and then Christmas party. You are able to see that Christmas party and Christmas tree is not free. So I selected Christmas chair. Here is a Christmas tree with the chair. Okay, so our scene is created. So you know, you have to create multiple scenes and merge it to make a story, ongoing story. So here first thing is done. The character and the scene is created. Now character is sitting in the armchair. So character, who is sitting? Select the character. So Santa, I want Santa to be seated on the chair. So here I selected Santa, and Santa is sitting on the chair. So this part is done. You can check if everything is fine. So now who is talking, who will, here on the top you will see so many icons are there. So here character is Santa is neutral, or so here you can explore, so many things are there. Just for knowledge purpose, I told you that this software you can use to make Santa Claus and start Santa is dancing, okay, and dancing and saying something. So like I am recording right now, so I can't put any dialogue, but I can write some dialogue. So like I write something, hi, how are you? Okay, the scene is created. So just below you can see there is a play option. Just play it like this. Santa is, so from I just want to start from starting. Santa is setting. So you are able to see that how it is happening, how you made Santa Claus, and how the scene is getting created. Tutorial will be so long if I will create all the scenes and I will tell you each and everything. Just go and download Plotagon and start exploring and make some very, very good characters and scenes, and enjoy. So once the scenes are created, you can play and check if everything is working fine. And now if everything is done, you just either export using GIF or save it to your this storyboard, your gallery and all that. Click below right corner and you will see there is save video file. Save it. You can export it by two things: export with subtitles or export without subtitles. Right now I'm exporting without subtitles, and you will see there is the rendering process, and after it is done, let's see what message it will pop up. So meanwhile, if you like my work, please like this video and subscribe my channel. So finalizing the video, it is 100% done, and now here save to gallery, YouTube, and whatever you want to share. So I'm right now saving it to the gallery, and video name is Santa or Christmas, anything, SANTA, Santa. So save it. So done, it is saved now. Can I see it in my gallery? Yeah, it is. So just play it. Now here is the scene. So if you are really happy with my work, just like this video, and you are you can subscribe my channel for further such kind of videos, tutorials, and before subscribing I will suggest to like the video and share it with your friend, and that's it. Thanks for the watching. Have a good day.